Welcome to a lecture on the writing process. This is going to be really exciting and glamorous, but more importantly, the writing process is the foundation for this class, and we are going to be following it throughout the whole semester, so we want to make sure that everybody understands it right from the beginning. But before we talk about the writing process, it's important to understand how expert writers talk about writing, specifically how they talk about the components of writing. Sometimes we think of these things as errors, which is why the slide discusses errors, but really these are simply all parts of writing that need to be thought about in terms of the writing process. First, we have higher order concerns. As the name implies, higher order concerns are those aspects of writing a writer should be paying the most attention to. They are the big components that affect content, hence they are labeled as higher or more important concerns. These concerns include organization of ideas, development of ideas, sentence structure, and fluency, amongst other things. Lower order concerns, then, are those aspects of writing that should be addressed later in the writing process. Although they are important, they are less important than how we organize and develop ideas. Primarily, these concerns deal with spelling and grammar. As the slide states, 90% of writing is revision. Revision, or seeing again, should concentrate on higher order concerns. The last 10%, which is editing, is where we fix grammatical mistakes such as comma splices or run-on. Here's the sort of thing that most novice writers don't usually think of. The more you revise your writing, the fewer mechanical or grammatical errors you will make. The more you focus on how you are stating and developing your ideas, the more you are naturally editing out grammar mistakes. Okay, let's now talk about the writing process.